the really easy peasy lemon squeezy hair install. I'm actually thinking about putting tape on the insides instead of gluing it, because I have some tape strips. So this wig unit comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, am I missing something? I don't know, just pre, right? I'm not sure if you're able to wear this wig unit glueless. I normally don't wear their wig units glueless, you guys. I usually just glue them on because they're actually really good. They have done a ton of updating and upgrading to their wig units throughout the years. I've been reviewing Wiggins for a while, so yeah. So yeah, this couldn't be glueless, you guys, because it doesn't even lay flat. I'll definitely have to use something to hold it down, at least the ear tabs. So I'm just cutting around my ear first. That's always what I do. And then I pull my ear out and adjust from there, because I don't want it to be sitting on top of my ear. So I can just go ahead and cut. I love when these wigs are already done for me. I love that. Love the already done wigs. Don't have to do much at all. So I'm actually going to take some tape, and I think I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. Ooh, this is sticky. So today I actually decided to try something different with Wiggins Hair. I normally just use my Ghost Bond glue to put my wig unit on, but today I just decided to use some tape. I had been accumulating a lot of tape lately, so I was like, I'm gonna try it on their wig unit since I never have. So I don't know, I think Wiggins should definitely put in some tape for their wig units, especially their pre-done wigs. This would be like super helpful for the buyers. But I'm just placing it on. It's literally like a peel and stick situation, you guys, and I'm sticking it on to the sideburns. So this wig is only holding on by the sideburns. I didn't place the combs in, and I probably did not have the adjustable strap either. I don't really care for the additional adjustable straps in my wig units. I feel like it kind of pulls the sideburns back, and I love to have full control of my sideburns, you guys, right? So anyways, I'm cutting around the sideburns area because I felt like there was just a little too much extra for me. And yeah, I love the hairline. The bleach job is also really nice, you guys. Amazing wig. So I'm gonna go in with my foundation because I don't know if you guys could see, but you could see the tape through the lace. So all you need to do is go in with your foundation or some powder to combat the shininess of the wig, or the tape, I'm sorry. And that will pretty much do the job, you guys. So whatever it is that you use to tint your lace, that's the product that you need to use to remove the shininess from the tape. So I'm just basically showing you guys that this wig can definitely be worn glueless. And again, it is being held only by the sideburns. So moving right along, I am going to go in and part my hair down the middle. It came with a really good part, you guys, but it does go back just a tiny bit further. And I'm just going to take my She Is Bomb wax stick. You can find this in my Amazon storefront along with the other products as well. But using a wax stick will get your wigs flat AF, like flat AF, you guys. So I'm just taking my hair and I'm parting it into, you know, small parts, and I'm just going to place the wax stick within the part, and I'm going to hot comb it because I felt like this wig unit was really flat on one side and then the other side wasn't. So the side that was not flat, that's the side that I'm actually hot combing right now. I don't know, I feel like a lot of wigs come like that, which I don't really know why, but I'm just taking it piece by piece, part by part, and flat combing it out flat. And I just really love the She Is Bomb. I think the wax sticks is something that I started using consistently this year with my hair reviews. So yep, all my girls who like that sleek flat look, y'all know that's not really my thing, but you need to invest into a wax stick, you guys. So I'm taking my Tangle Teaser Ultimate brush. This is also linked in my Amazon storefront. I don't recommend this brush for a curl defining brush, but to like pull out curls and stuff like that and just get a lot of volume and stuff like that, I like to use this kind of brush. It has really good bristles. So yeah, very good quality brush. So I'm just pulling out the curls that the wig unit came with, and very, very, very beautiful curls, you guys. Very voluminous, very full. I just love the hairline. Like, this wig does not look bad, and I don't feel like it's just sitting on my head either. Like, I think it looks pretty damn good. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I think it just looks really, really good. So I'm just trying to play with the curls or whatever. I feel like I always kind of like come with this kind of look. You guys know I love voluminous hair. And also, if you are into voluminous hair as well, you guys should definitely check out the pre-styled wig units, especially like this one. This one comes with some really good volume. Now, when it comes to the baby hairs, I didn't focus on it too much. I just don't think that the wig unit needed it at all. The hairline is really, really good. So if you love Glueless Wig units, check this one out. But I decided that I wanted to try out this new hot tool that I purchased on Amazon. And it stretched out my curls, you guys. So pretty much the rest of this hair video is me like trying out this hot tool. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm not going to say that this is a tutorial of how to use it. I definitely will have to practice. But one thing that I did learn about this is that this hot tool will work and come out amazing on layered hair. Also, I'm going to try this on my natural hair as well. My natural hair is pretty much like shoulder length, so I'll be using it as well. And I also want to use it in like another hair video, so I'm definitely going to be practicing behind the scenes on this. But it does give really good volumes, but it definitely stretched out my hair. This thing also gets really, really hot, you guys. And it does not have any heat settings. But that's all that I'm doing, is pretty much rolling my hair up with this hot tool for the rest of this video, and that's about it. So if you guys are interested in this wig, I highly recommend it. Wiggins has really good wig units, so make sure you guys check them out. And that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think of the wig, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.